Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dogebaby token. Name of the token is Dogebaby, all one word, and ticker symbol is also Dogebaby. Now this is a brand new token on the Binance Smart Chain. It's basically like Baby Doge, but just backwards, Dogebaby. This token is, it was just announced as getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Dogebaby token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the comment or in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a brand new token. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a BEP20 token with a huge supply. So that's a million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, 750 quintillion tokens. Now that is a lot of tokens. I have seen more, but as far as amounts of tokens go, that is a lot. So their official webpage is dogebaby.tech. So you can find them over there, and they have a link to their Twitter and their Telegram on their webpage. 18 decimal places on this token. Their Telegram is at the Dogebaby chat. 2,104 Telegram members. 28 of them are online, so that's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. If you want to learn more about the project, talk to community members, see updates, that's a great place to do it. And same with their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here on the screen at the Dogebaby. It says, traverse the futuristic cosmos with Dogebaby. Join the most robust community, and then it has a link to their Telegram. And then right underneath that, a link to their webpage. 10,000 Twitter followers, 89 tweets. And then their newest tweet here from 5 hours ago, they just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting tomorrow, March 13th at 14 hours UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol Dogebaby, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a recent tweet here. It says, Dogebaby is the smallest Doge in the meme tokens family, yet our community is the strongest and most vibrant. Thank you for joining us on the road to success. Together we will add special spice into the meme coin space. So on their Twitter, they just recently posted the Mexc Kickstarter event too that you can get involved with before this token listing. This token is not even available on Pancakeswap yet. If you look at their BSC scan, there's no holders, no Pancakeswap transactions. So this is going to be their initial listing date on Mexc Global. But if you're looking to get involved with the Kickstarter event that is going on now, you can see it on the Twitter right on the screen here. They reposted it. Basically, you vote with MX tokens, and you could win a share of the huge airdrop pool, which is 50,000 USDT. So it's a big airdrop reward pool. MX is the ticker symbol for the MEXC global token. So you vote with those tokens and you could win airdrops. And if you don't have an MEXC account, like I said, there is a referral code down there. So on their webpage, they have launch information, tokenomics, their mission, socials, and info. The quantum journey. Traverse the futuristic cosmos with Dogebaby. I keep wanting to say Baby Doge, like it almost makes you want to be dyslexic as you read it, because people are so used to saying Baby Doge, but this is Dogebaby over and over again. Makes you feel dyslexic looking at it after seeing the word Baby Doge so many times. So the Dogebaby Quantum Odyssey, meme visionaries at the helm, forging a meme-driven future. Dogebaby is steered by avant-garde meme visionaries, the architects of a meme-driven future. Together, they construct the Dogebaby Quantum Nexus, a dimension where cybernetic Doge brilliance converges with cutting-edge meme innovation, scripting the next chapter in crypto evolution. Meme pioneers unite. Embark as a meme pioneer, navigating the uncharted Dogebaby Quantum Nexus, where memes and futuristic gains intertwine into a cosmic pas de deux. I have no idea what that is. So that looks like in French that it says not from two, but I don't know what that means. Join the journey as we traverse digital constellations, turning every meme-inspired trade into a symphony of futurism and Doge delight. Dive into the boundless realms of meme magic and futuristic wonder with Dogebaby. So this is the Dogebaby Quantum Odyssey, where the future of Doge is sculpted in the mesmerizing dance of memes and technology. So how the tokens are allocated, the token metrics allocation pie chart here says 15% of the tokens go to central exchanges like MEXC Global, 15% goes to marketing, 15% team, 10% advisors, 20% growth, 15% rewards, and 10% development. Brace yourself for the genesis of a new era in futuristic meme crypto with Baby Doge. So, not even available on Pancakeswap, Binance Smart Chain token, about to get this huge listing on MEXC Global starting tomorrow. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think it's a good investment or not? And thanks to everybody who's been hitting that join button. If you want to help support the channel, you could hit that join button. Maybe in the future I'll do some members only videos, maybe one a day or something like that. If I get enough people hitting that join button, I'll start doing that. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.